ग्लास साइडमा राखेको जुन छ फोटो रेजिस्टेसमा सोलिडिफाई गरेर त्यो बेगमा राखेँ। अब चाहिँ यो मास्क अलाइनरमा राखेर युभी रेहरू पठाएर चाहिँ हामी कम्प्लिटली यो मास्क जुन छ यो मास्क यसकै स्ट्रक्चर हामी यहाँनिर कास्ट गर्छौँ होइन। त्यसको लागि यहाँनिर चाहिँ ग्लासलाई अडिने यो भइहाल्यो टेबल स्लाइड स्ट्यान्ड भनौँ न होइन बेस भनौँ। अनि अब मास्क त्यो फोटो रेजिस्ट स्लाइडमा राखेर चाहिँ अब त्यसमा एउटा ग्लास साइड राखेर चाहिँ त्यसलाई हामीले फिक्स गऱ्यौँ। अब के गर्छौँ भने यहाँ लिभर छ यसलाई ब्याक लगाउँछौँ। ब्याक लगाएपछि यहाँ बल छ। अब यो रेडी हो। यसको मिनिङ चाहिँ के हो रेडी भएको। अब यो हामी यहाँ चाहिँ युभी लाइट चाहिँ साइन गर्नको लागि रेडी भयो भन्यो। अब हामी ग्रिन सिग्नल दिन्छौँ त्यसलाई। सरेर आयो जम्मा 12 सेकेन्ड्समा भयो त्यो त होइन। युभी लाइट त्यहाँ पऱ्यो त्यहाँनिर 0 सेकेन्ड्स हुने साथ अफ भयो ब्याक गयो। अब यसलाई निकाल्नुको लागि के गर्छ भन्दा फेरि लिभर त इनिसियल पोजिसन जानु पऱ्यो फरवर्ड तान्यो। त्यस पछाडि अब यसलाई हामीले फेरि निकाल्छौँ। अब यसलाई निकाल्नुको लागि चाहिँ के गर्छौँ त भन्दाखेरि ट्विजर छ। अब बिना ट्विजर पनि काम गर्न सकियो। यसलाई बाहिर तान्ने बाहिर तानिसकेपछि यो मास्क निकाल्यो। मास्क चाहिँ यस्तो छ ठ्याक्कै यही यस्तै स्ट्रक्चर क्लियर भएन। यस्तो स्ट्रक्चर यो स्ट्रक्चर चाहिँ यहाँनिर हुन्छ। अब यसलाई मैले के गर्छु त भने भन्दाखेरि निकाल्छु। अब यसलाई म क्लिन गर्छु होइन। यहाँ यो डेभलपर हो यो डेभलपरमा राख्छु। यो क्लिन हुन्छ 30 सेकेन्डसम्म राख्ने हो। 30 सेकेन्ड्स 30 सेकेन्डसम्म राखेँ। मास्कदेखि थालेछु स्ट्रक्चर त्यही मास्कको स्ट्रक्चर हो त्यहाँनिर होइन। 7 6 30 सेकेन्डसम्म राखेँ। भयो रेडी। अब यो क्लिन भयो डेभलपमा राखेर अब पानीमा राखेर सफा गर्ने। यस्तो देखियो होइन। अब यसलाई चाहिँ म यो नाइट्रोजन थ्रुबाट ड्राई गर्छु है। यो ग्लास स्लाइडलाई पनि क्लिन पनि गरेको थिएँ। क्लिन राख्नु पऱ्यो। यो फोटो रेजिस्ट राख्नुभन्दा अगाडि पनि ग्लासलाई क्लिन गर्नु परेको थियो। यसरी पनि ड्राई गरेको लुक्स गुड। ड्राई भयो स्ट्रक्चर देखिन्छ स्ट्रक्चर देखिनु पर्ने ऊ त्यो पार्ट स्ट्रक्चर अहिले हेरौँ न यो थर्मल इभ्याकुएटर हो यहाँ चाहिँ हामी गोल्ड डिपोजिट गर्छौँ ए स्लाइड यसमा हामी तिनजना मिलेर बनाएको त्यसमा त्यस्तोमा राख्छौँ अन गर्छौँ अन भएको कन्डिसनमा त्यो सबै बल्छ स्विट भएको छ
mainly use these tips, but as we have so many samples and very big, we cannot use that. That's why I use tape. You can lock your holder up here like this, and then
sample I
think it is better to face the other way. Your sample to this sensor, the accurate thickness you get. Now we are going to deposit this chromium first. That's why we put it here in this position. Right now you can see there is a cover on top of that, and when you heat that up, it will start to evaporate. But until you don't remove this cover, the evaporate material will not go up here. And whenever you are ready, you can open this like this and deposits there, and then whenever you are done or when you reach the level you want, you just close it like this. Do we have enough gold there? I think yes.
thermal evacuator.
Lock that. Now
Lock.
it is ready. Now press process.
Process.
Now it will take a lot of time.
Why you are not making on? At on.
This one?
Yeah.
After some time.
After some
After we reach the packing level, then we
The
can
packing levels. Roughing. Roughing पछि पम्प डाउन आयो अब के हो calm down fine pumping भने
It is fine pumping. That means it is now pumping down by the turbo pump. And at this time, if you pull it down by certain method, the chamber, then it will be pumping down a little bit faster. So we use liquid nitrogen. This is, you can use this one.
Yeah, liquid nitrogen filling up गर्नु लागि प्रयोग गर्ने
Out. You put this in here and open it from here. Very awesome.
के हो लिक भयो के हो liquid nitrogen is flying off
It's very, very cool, and you can freeze your lock. And we put the nitrogen in from here. You can see that it is -4 only, right? But if I put liquid nitrogen, you will see the drop faster.
Nitrogen iodide. -5.
So how do you know how much to put in there?
You will see the.
Oh, it's coming out. Okay.
These things will control the deposition.
Thickness, right?
Yes, and this is for setting up and seeing the thickness. We can turn that on.
Right now the pressure is
And
to the
here
curve. But
you can see the thickness. This is thickness and this is the deposition rate. Now you can see negative rate. That means there is still some gas which is degassing because of the pressure. And if you have very high rate going in negative, then that is not good because you will not know how much you are depositing. But this one is, I think, 0 and -1. And you can see film number 2 here, which is for gold. But in the beginning we are not depositing gold, that's why we need to change it to chromium. And for that you can go here in program, and you can see it is at density. If you press this up button, it will go to film. At that time you can press 1 and press it down, you go to density, and then you can see the density of chromium here. And if you press program again, it will go back to the previous display. And now here you will see the thickness here and rate here, and press this 0, it will 0 the thickness, so that you know how much you will go after you start depositing. But it's still showing some negative number. Let's wait some time. Kilo angstrom. Now we need a 5 nanometer, so you can find out what is nanometer and kilo angstrom conversion, and then you can see here. But the thing is, whatever number you see here is nanometer. So if now it is 0.3 nanometer, you can, if it becomes certain number like 7, then that is 7 nanometer, and like 10, 11, 12 like that, and then 100. It goes in that way because it shows in kilo angstrom here. So nanometer will be this digit, and now it is 0.5 nanometer, like that. Let's reset it to 0, and then our position is now on chromium. We need to make sure that it is in right position. Then you can turn this on like this in LT, and you can increase this. You can rotate this knob, and you should see the increase in amperes current. Now it is increasing, so you increase it. You need to increase very slowly, so because if you increase very fast, then there will be difference in temperature in inner core and outer side, and then there will be like some cracks and other things. So you need to do it very slowly. Now you can see that it's not increasing, right? That means there is disconnection. Now bring it back to low current, and then move this one a little bit, this one, so that there will be good connection, and then try to increase it. You should see increase, but it's not increasing.